Hi, it's Dave from Windows Delivered. Today I'm going to show you the tools that you will need to take out and install PVC Sash windows. Starting off here, we've got an impact driver and a battery drill. These will be the most used tools in your toolbox. Make sure you get some decent ones. Moving on to a reciprocating saw. You will need this for taking out old windows. You will need different blades. You'll need wood blades and probably metal blades. Moving on to SDS Drill. You will need this to drill into bricks and things. They can be very hard, so SDS is very important to have. Also, you will need the chisel function as well, because that will come in very handy when you're trying to get things to fit into places that they may not want to. Moving on to a jigsaw. Quite often you may have to cut the backs of trims off, trims around things, all sorts of different things, but you will need one. Moving on to grinder. If you're taking out crystal windows or any other metal windows, you will need these. You can also use them to cut off old bolts, bars, all kinds of things like that you may find when you're installing the windows. Moving on to a skill saw. Very good for ripping things down like sills and trims that go around the window. We do also carry a planer with us as well. This is handy in case you need to trim down any of the windows actually, or if you need to trim down any wood frames. And then something that's very important to have in your toolkit is a decent miter saw, because the difference of having a decent miter and a rubbish miter mean a lot to the customer and what recommendations you'll get in the future. So make sure you get a decent one. Thank you. David from Windows Delivered.